Right. So now, yeah, we'll go and understand about agile methodology. So what's the difference between agile and waterfall methodology is, in waterfall methodology we are going to develop and test the application and release the application, and it is going to take a lot of time, years together, right? But in waterfall model we can develop, we can test, and we can deliver the application, we can release the application into production within just 2 to 4 weeks. 2 to 4 weeks. Right? So in agile, your entire development and testing will happen in the form of sprints. What is it? In the form of sprint actually. Okay. What is sprint? Is nothing but a duration. A duration. Okay. And what the each sprint contains? Each sprint contains your highest priority requirements. Okay. In agile model, project is divided into various sprints. Okay. Each sprint contains highest priority requirements. Okay. The time period for each sprint is typically 2 to 4 weeks. Right. And now, exactly, not every my company follow 2 weeks duration, some company follow 3 weeks duration, some company follow 4 week duration. So we will be busy every 2 weeks. Every Tuesday night we have a release, and we will be working in that release every Tuesday night, every alternative Tuesday night. There is a release, right? After release also we have to test the application, it is working fine or not in the production. Right. Now in agile methodology, so we have teams actually. Who are the teams? Is product owner. What is it? Product owner. And next one is scrum master. Next one is your team. Right. Next one is your team. Now what will happen in agile methodology? In agile methodology, we have a continuous interaction between your client and our team. Okay, every week we have to give the demo to the client. What? Oh, my door? Yeah, it's already closed. Still you are listening? Where is it? Now? Now? Now, Naveen? It's alright? Yeah. Now, and your product owner and scrum master and the team. Usually what will happen, in the agile methodology, okay, so you have a customer. You have a customer actually, right? And your customer has requirements, but he doesn't have any vendor, but he want to develop an application and he want to get returns soon. Okay, he want to get returns soon, but if you're using waterfall model, he will get a returns after 2 years or 1 year. But if you want to get a return soon, the best model is the agile model, right? So what will happen, this is a client. Who is this? This is a client has the requirements. Client has the requirement. Now, one person from our team, from our company, that is called as your product owner. What is it? Product owner. Product owner will directly interact with the customer, and he will capture the requirements. He'll capture the requirement. He'll understand the requirements. Product owner is like a BA. He'll go and capture all the requirements from the customer. And a customer is going to tell all the requirements to. No. BA is different, man. BDM is different. BA is different. Okay. Now this guy will give the requirements to the product owner. And product owner, he will. Yeah. Before that one, the marketing people will involve in interacting with the client, and they will sign the project. Okay, they'll get an order, then from there we need to send a product owner. Now client don't have any document to give to this product owner. He will tell orally, I want to develop application like this. Now this guy will prepare a user stories. What is it? User stories, or we can even say product backlog or product backlog. Okay, so in Agile there is no documentation at all, right? Requirements, small requirements. Now from here, see, this guy will not develop and test any application, right? So there's another guy called as your Scrum Master. Who is that? Scrum Master will take the requirements from the particular product owner, okay, and he will assign the requirements to the team members, and team members will start developing an application and testing an application. What is the team consisting of? Team consisting of your developers and testers. Scrum Master is a person which is from our team. He's like a mediator between a product owner and the team. He'll make sure you are delivering a right product or not to the customer. He's like a manager. No, this guy will take the requirements from this Scrum Master, and Scrum Master will provide a requirement to the product developers and testers to start working on it. Okay, so this entire cycle will happen within just 2 weeks duration. Within just how many weeks? 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Okay, now in the 2 weeks we are completing the entire life cycle, starting from requirement gathering, designing, developing, testing, releasing, and production. See here, within 10 days. But how this particular product owner is going to capture the requirements, and how is going to create the user stories? Let's see that one now. Right, now I'm dividing my Agile into different phases now. First one is nothing but your product backlog, and second one is nothing but your backlog, and third one is your sprint planning. Fourth one is your sprint release, and the fifth one is your sprint review, and fifth one is your stand-up call, and sixth one is your sprint demo to stakeholders, and seventh one is your sprint release, and eighth one is your sprint retrospective. Okay, what is product backlog? Product backlog is nothing but a user stories. Now if you take an example of Facebook may contains many user stories. Now let's go and understand how your product owner is going to prepare the simple user story. So we have a like and unlike option in the Facebook, right? Okay, if customer asks you that particular requirement, and how your product owner is going to prepare, let's see that one. Okay, it prepare like this. Just a minute. హలో, యా మేడం చెప్పండి. అవునా, అది వెస్టర్న్ యూనియన్ లేదా? వెస్టర్న్ యూనియన్. ఓకే, ఓ దట్స్ కూల్. అప్పుడే వచ్చేస్తుంది నాకైతే. Sure. All right. Yeah. Anything else? Antena? All right. Yeah. No problem, no problem. Okay, no problem. I'm in class actually. Alright? Yeah, yeah, sure. Bye bye. Take care. Yeah, bye. Yeah, Naveen. Got a call from Malaysia actually. As a user, if I click like on any image, it should change to unlike, and the number should change to number should increase to 1, right? Increase to +1. Number should increase to +1, right? So this is a simple requirement, right? If you have in the Facebook, now your product is going to prepare like that, and your developers and testers will develop it, and tester will test it, and will release into the production. Facebook itself, right? They have their own development and testing team, in-house development and in-house testing team, right? Now, if you think of Facebook now, Facebook has n number of requirements now. If you consider this is a one requirement, a lot of requirements. Consider 1,000 requirements. Consider how many requirements? Millions are there actually, I can say. But we are for make you understand. Yeah, for make you understand. Yeah. I mean, just sorry, just a minute. Sorry. Hello. Yeah. ఎక్కడ నుంచి సార్ నేను రేపు తెచ్చిస్తాను సార్. నాకు కొంచెం బిజీ ఉన్నా, నేను డాక్యుమెంట్స్ ఒకసారి నాకు ఏమేమి కావాలి చెప్తారా మీకు? ఎన్ని ఫొటోస్ కావాలి? 2 ఫొటోస్, పాన్ కార్డు, అడ్రస్ ప్రూఫ్, 3 months పే స్లిప్, ఓకే, 6 months బ్యాంక్ స్టేట్మెంటా, అండ్ ఫామ్ 16. నెట్ నుంచి డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు కదా? ఆల్రైట్ నేను తీసుకొని వస్తాను. నేను రేపు తీసుకొని వచ్చి మీకు ఇచ్చేస్తాను. అది ఎన్ని రోజులు పడుతుంది ప్రాసెస్? అంతేనా? ఓకే. అదే నేనే మీకు కాల్ చేద్దాం అనుకున్నాను యాక్చువల్లీ. అది నేను కొంచెం బిజీ ఉండి చేయలేకపోయాను. రేపు కంపల్సరీ వస్తాను మీ దగ్గరికి. నేను రేపు వచ్చి మీకు డాక్యుమెంట్స్ అన్ని ఇచ్చేస్తాను, సో దట్ వీ కెన్ స్టార్ట్ అ ప్రాసెస్. ఓకే, ఆల్రైట్ బాయ్. Yeah, Naveen. Hello. Naveen, I have one simple question. Right. So now, if you consider Facebook has 1,000 user stories. Right. Now, Spring Backlog is nothing but how many user stories we can develop in 2 weeks. 2 weeks means how many days? 10 business days, right? Okay, 2 weeks means 10 business days, and in the 10 business days, if you have a team of 5 developers and testers, okay, how many user stories we can develop? How many user stories this Scrum Master is going to take from this 1,000? Okay, he will take 10 user stories. Based upon team, I cannot say 10, 20, 30 like that. Based upon complexity of a story and based upon the team size. Okay, the first day of the sprint is nothing but a sprint. Yes, exactly, right? Yeah. Team, exactly. Now, sprint planning. The first day of the sprint is nothing but a sprint planning. In the first day of the sprint, every member has to allocate stories themselves, and they need to create the task themselves. Okay, task means, so if I give this user story to you, you should say that, okay, understand the requirement and write the test scenarios and write the test cases for this particular story and execute the test cases. This is your task, right? Okay, so every team member will do that one, and your Scrum Master will review the sprint, how the people are working, are people are facing any problems or not. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm coming to that one. I'm coming to that one. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. No, we can do even automation also, Navin. But what we'll do it, but what we'll do is we will not develop the automation scripts for the current sprint. We will develop the scripts for the previous sprints. Got it? Why? Because it's already been tested. Exactly. It's already been tested, right? Now we'll develop the automation for the previous sprint, not for the current sprint. Okay? Right? And sprint review, your Scrum Master is going to review the sprint, how the things are happening. And we have a daily stand-up call in the Agile methodology. That's called a Scrum call. What is it? Scrum call. In the Scrum call, you need to tell to Scrum Master what you're working on today, what you worked on yesterday, and what you're going to do tomorrow. Right? You have to tell to the Scrum Master. Every day from 5 to 5:30 we have a call. You should be not. You should. Hello. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah, they know, but even you have to tell why, because yesterday what you're working on, it's a continuous activity, right? You have to tell that one also. And once everything is done on the 8th day or 9th day, and we have to give the demo to your client and your customer. Okay, and they will see how the application is working. Is it exactly working as per the requirements, or is there any deviations? And they'll give the feedback. And you need to make sure that you're going to do the same feedback, and you're going to develop the feedback and test the feedback in the next sprint. Okay, and we're going to release the application to production, and your team will verify all the functionalities, and if they say okay, then your Scrum Master is going to release the application into production. Right? And after releasing an application, again we're going to start sprint 2. Right? Sprint 2 again we're going to start. In the sprint 2, second day, we'll conduct a retrospective meeting. Which meeting? Retrospective. In the retrospective meeting, we need to tell to client what went well in the last sprint, what went wrong in the last sprint. Some things will be went wrong. Right? If you did a wrong analysis, some things went wrong then. Okay, and now you have to take the story such a way that you can complete in just 10 days. You should not take the stories which is taking more than 10 days. Alright? Okay, sometimes what will happen, you took a story, but you analyzed it wrong. You're thinking that it will complete in 8 days or 9 days. But it is taking more than 8 days. That means whatever analysis you did, it's a wrong analysis. Okay, that did not went well in the last sprint. So what you're learning is what it went well and what it went wrong. You have to tell it in the retrospective meeting. No. Scrum Master, product owner is only for giving the stories, man. That's it. Rest of the things taken by your Scrum Master. Who is certified in Scrum methodology? You have to do certification for that one. Yeah, we have to do certification. Agile is not a simple job, man. You have to maintain the team. We have to understand the requirements clearly. We have to make sure we are going to complete the sprint within time. Okay, a lot of things will happen in Agile. Mm-hmm. Yes, exactly. We have a Scrum certified professional. Certified professional, yes. Yeah, you should have at least 5 years of experience in that one. I'm going to write in 2016. I'm planning to do that one. I'll write it. Right, yeah. Once I reach Australia or US, I'm going to do that one. I don't have time, Naveen. Once I reach there, I'll relax sometime and I'll just do that one. Okay, we can't, right? You should have a lot of experience. Yeah, you should even work for at least 2 or 3 projects, then you can go and write it. right? And we are going to take the stories which is important to the customer, which end user wants. Don't take the stories randomly like that. Depends upon the priority wise that we are going to take the stories. Okay, now within short duration we are developing and release the application into production. This is the advantage in waterfall mode. Let's call it quick time to market. Quick time to market. We'll release it and customers will start using the application and your client will get the returns soon. Whatever they want that are present there, right? No, nobody can develop entire application in 10 days, man. Right or not? Okay, they know whatever the features they want for every 10 days, we're going to develop it and test it. Right? Yep. This is my agile. Yeah, this is an agile exactly. See how simple it is. And lot of companies they're slowly migrating from waterfall to agile and V model to agile. Why? Because see, you're making customer happy, and you're showing that application to the customer within very short duration instead of waiting for years and years together. That's the main advantage actually here. And here in agile, everybody has a work daily. Right or not? Daily, right? In waterfall model, everyone will be. That's why I'm busy actually now. Yeah, I'm working in agile from past 3.5 years now. 3.5 years I'm working in agile actually. Yeah, I'm demanding, man. I have a lot of demand. I know tools, I know technology, I can teach, I can manage the team. The companies want like people like me. Yes, they need actually. But I don't want to go from out of my company which I'm working currently. Why? Because I'm taking care of my trainings as well as my job. If I go to other company, I need to start office by 9 o'clock like that. 9 o'clock, and this company I'm going at 12:30, 1 o'clock, right? Not 10 till 8:39. That's it. Only one day, that is release day. There's a chance if you want to stay, I'll stay. Otherwise, I'll come back again. Yesterday was the release to us, so I just came at 10:30, 11 like that to home. Yesterday was Tuesday, right? Every alternate Tuesday we have a release actually. Now today we are starting a new sprint again. Your Scrum Master will take the backlogs and we'll do the planning today. And tomorrow onwards we're going to start working on the stories which we allocated ourselves. See how simple the requirements are here. And your waterfall model, your client is going to give very big document to you. Very big document to you. Right? Any questions here? No, 1 hour I said to spiral model, right? Agile half an hour and spiral half an hour actually. Yeah. No, tomorrow we'll do spiral, not now. Naveen, I'll do one thing tomorrow onwards, okay? I'll go to my institute by 9:15 like that tomorrow. We'll continue the class from there itself. I'm gonna get the dongle today. I'm buying a dongle for internet connection.